Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
Where are you staying?
I am staying at a hotel.
What are you doing?
I am studying English.
Why are you crying?
I am crying because I am sad.
Where are they going?
They are going to the park.
Where are we going today?
We are going to the zoo.
Who is coming to the party?
My friends are coming to the party.
What are they cooking?
They are cooking dinner.
What are you reading?
I am reading a book.
Who is coming with us?
My sister is coming with us.
Why are they waiting?
They are waiting for the bus.
Why is he laughing?
He is laughing at a joke.
What is she eating?
She is eating an apple.
Who is playing football?
My brother is playing football.
What is she doing?
She is drawing a picture.
Why are you running?
I am running because I am late.
Who is riding the bike?
My friend is riding the bike.
Where is he sitting?
He is sitting on the chair.
Why is she dancing?
She is dancing because she is happy.
Where are you walking?
I am walking to school.
What are you watching?
I am watching a cartoon.
What is your dad fixing?
My dad is fixing the car.
Who is playing the piano?
My brother is playing the piano.
What are you writing?
I am writing a list.
What are you painting?
I am painting a flower.
Where is your mom going?
My mom is going to the store.
What is she drinking?
She is drinking juice.
What are you learning?
I am learning math.
Where are they playing?
They are playing in the garden.
Who is cleaning the room?
My sister is cleaning the room.
Why is he shouting?
He is shouting because he needs help.
Where is your brother?
My brother is playing outside.
What is your mom cooking?
My mom is cooking pasta.
What is he eating?
He is eating a sandwich.
Where is your dad working?
My dad is working in the office.
Who is calling you?
My friend is calling me.
Why are you smiling?
I am smiling because I am happy.
What are you searching for?
I am searching for my toy.
Where is the cat sleeping?
The cat is sleeping on the sofa.
Why are you tired?
I am tired because I am running.
What is she wearing?
She is wearing a red dress.
Who is helping you?
My brother is helping me. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to a channel.